This bass hard.
This shit hard. This is my damn truck, y'all think I'm bullshitting around. Bastard.
Woke up quick at about noon, just thought that I had to be in Compton soon. I gotta get drunk before the day begins, before my mother starts bitching about my friends. Going down with mine, young niggas at the pad throwing up gang signs. In the house, at my friend, with the Mac on the side of my hip. Outside, pointing my weapon, just as I thought the food kept going.
That's my shit.
I got
What y'all think about that?
Side to side, boy. With the Alpine, hey. It was gangster at the. Then I played something like this. Cruising down
Just
the
got
street
done with the bud.
Yeah,
just got done with the bud.
Clocking the dough. Went to the park to get the scoop. Knuckleheads out there, cold shooting some hoops. A car pulls up, who can it be?
That shit
It's all about making that GTA. Cause the boys in the hood are always hard. I'm talking that trash.